Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I just wanted to share a few insights with you. I was watching a YouTube video from a very successful YouTuber, a lady, and she was talking about why it's a good idea to start a YouTube channel even though nobody's watching. And I know like the frustration that you can go through, especially if you're a new YouTuber. And like for me, I've been on YouTube for the last many years. I actually started the account in 2019 and I posted my first video 2 years ago. And from my first video, like sometimes you go back to your channel and you see like only 1 view, 2 views, 100 views, and nothing more. So like people are wondering, or people sometimes ask me like, why do you still create YouTube videos and nobody's watching? And for me, I can say that YouTube for me is a platform where I can be creative. It is, when I'm making these videos, it gives me a chance to be creative and I'm able to be myself. And there's these YouTube shorts where you can do challenges, and in that I'm able to kind of experiment new things and just have fun while doing it. And even if nobody is watching, it's okay. It gives me a chance to be creative and just play around with making the videos. For me, I love videography, I love photography. Of course, I don't make very expert photos or videos, but the act of just taking the photos or taking the videos, for me, that is totally satisfying. It doesn't matter how good or how bad the videos or the photos come. So, and for me, YouTube also is like, it gives you a platform where you can reach people globally. When I look at my statistics or my analytics in YouTube, I have so many people watching from USA. Right now I'm in Europe, but I have people watching from United States of America. I have people from the UK. I have people from India. I have people from Kenya. So like it gives you a platform to express yourself and you have a chance to reach people globally. So without using any money, like you don't need to use any advertising or something like that if you don't have the resources. So it's like a platform where you can reach global world without like spending so much money. So if you're trying to build your brand, whatever brand that you're trying to build of yourself, of a company, it gives you a platform. You can reach global reach without spending so much money. And something else is that YouTube is universal. It doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter what color of your skin is. It is universal for everyone. Of course, there's that feeling like when I post and what are people going to say? What's my family going to say? What are my friends going to say? And people at work, especially if you're an introvert. I consider myself to be outgoing, but same time, I still consider myself to be an introvert because I'm not very comfortable sharing very personal things with other people. So in that sense, I consider myself to be an introvert. So like when you're making the videos and you're wondering like, especially funny videos, silly videos, and then you're wondering when the colleagues or your friends see these videos, what are they going to say? So there's that skepticism, like what are people going to say? But I think at the end of the day, you're doing this for yourself. If nobody is watching, or if they watch, fine. But if they don't watch, you get the satisfaction yourself. Or like, what is the reason why you're making this video? So you have the reason by yourself or for yourself why you're doing these videos. And another thing is that you build your confidence. Like staying in front of the camera, it's not easy. And you can notice that from the time you make your first video to when you make your 10th, 20th, 30th, 100th, 1000th. So like your confidence increases with time or improves with time. So you're able to articulate things in a better way than if you are not doing the video. So it gives you so much, even though you feel like you're not gaining either in terms of views or monetary, because monetization is, yeah, that's a journey that I'm still doing, and I believe that it will come. When it's time to come, it will come. So that's not the main goal of doing YouTube. And another thing is like, apart from like being creative or giving you a chance to be creative, giving you a chance to reach people globally, being universal, also it helps you to connect with other people. It's a chance to connect with others. I have made friends or connections, let me call it connections, from people all over the world. People are able to comment or like or subscribe from all over the world. I have personally like known people online. Like I have this young lady, she's 14 years old, and I really enjoy watching her videos. Her videos are so relatable and so fun to watch, and for me, like just watching that kind of videos that she's making kind of makes me feel like we're connected, even though she's 14 years old. I'm very old, and there are other people who are older than me, and we're able to connect on the internet space. So that's really like a platform that you're able to connect with other people. And I think just don't wait too long to start your YouTube channel. Yeah, even if nobody is watching, just make the videos. What is the worst that can happen? The worst that can happen is nobody will watch, nobody will subscribe. But when it's the time for you to grow, it will come. I have videos that I have gotten 0 views or 1 views, 5 views. And I have videos that I've created and I've gotten like 65,000 views. So like, just keep creating, keep posting, keep doing what you love. And somehow there is someone out there who is looking for the content that you're creating. So don't feel like nobody will watch my videos. There is always someone who will be able to watch your videos or consume your content. So don't wait too long. Start creating your videos today and just have fun doing it. That's the most important part. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.